guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these super easy, super cute little flannel gnome ornaments. You can use them on your packages, you can put them on your tree. They're just super easy to make. If you want to know how to make them, stick around. I'll show you how. Okay, what you're going to need to make this gnome is some faux fur, a bead or a piece of felt ball for his nose, a 5.5 inch pipe cleaner, and I use the thicker pipe cleaners. You can get those at Hobby Lobby. A 16 inch piece of jute, and then this pattern, and I'll have a link in the description showing you where to download it, and it gives you all the exact size of this. And this is a 1 inch gauge, so if yours doesn't print 1 inch, try to get enlarge it or reduce it to get it to that same 1 inch. All right, let's get started. We're going to go ahead and cut out our fabric, and you're going to place that right on the fold. And what I mean by that is I'm going to fold the fabric over, and I'm going to cut it right on the fold. Okay, then we're going to just take our glue gun. We're going to open this up, and we're just going to glue it straight down this side. And we're just going to fold it over and pat it down till it's completely sealed. Okay, so while that's drying, we're going to cut out our fur. Take your pattern. And then you're going to cut just the backing on this faux fur, not the fur. Just so get up underneath just that backing and cut around that beard. Okay, then we're going to clean the excess fur off this. And then we're going to cut another one, because you need two for this pattern. I should have just done it while I was doing the other one. We're going to glue these back to back. That way, when your ornament's hanging up, if it was a spin, you're not just seeing the back of faux fur. You're seeing fur on both sides. It just looks a lot better. Okay. Now that that's dry, we're going to go ahead and turn it up about 1.5 inches. And then you're just going to glue it down. And we're doing this so that when you turn it right side out, we can make a cuff on the front side, and you won't see the edges of the fabric. Okay, while that's drying, we're going to go ahead and assemble our beards. And we're going to take a pipe cleaner, and we're going to go right down the middle of this beard about 1/2 inch, and we're going to glue that pipe cleaner down. Then we're going to attach some glue to the top of it, and we're going to glue the back of this one. And I'm going to just glue from here down so that I can hold the top and get it even with the side, with the other side, before I glue the top part of it down. And then you can glue the top down. I just go around the top and close to the edge of the sides. Okay, and then just hold that down until it dries. Putting these back to back too makes for a more full beard. It just looks a lot better. Okay, while that dries, we're going to set that aside. And we're going to go ahead and turn our hat right side out. I use pliers because it's just the easiest way. You can just reach down in here, you can grab a little piece of the fabric, and you can pull it out pretty quickly. And then just push the top part in there just a little bit, just to kind of get the hat opened up. And have a lint brush if you're going to use faux fur, because it really helps. All right. Then we're going to take our hat and we're going to turn it up 1/2 inch. And give it a little cuff. Okay, then we're just going to glue that cuff down. You don't need a lot of glue, but enough to hold it. All right, then we're going to take our beard and we're going to go ahead and put it into our hat. Just run the pipe cleaner all the way up to the very top of that hat. And then tuck that beard on inside the hat. Okay, we're going to start from the back. We're going to just glue it in. We're just going to put a bead of glue right across the back. And we're going to turn it over. And we're going to pull it back just a little bit. Make sure our hair's not caught up in it. And I'm just going to run that bead across the hat itself. And then I'm going to put a dollop right in the center for where the nose goes. And I'm going to put the nose in, and I'm just going to lift it up over and glue it down. And let that dry for a minute. Okay, then we're just going to take this hat with the pipe cleaner in it. We're just going to tilt his hat to the side. You can shape it however you want to. And then we're going to take our jute, fold it in half, find your center. And we're going to go wrap it around it. And then we're going to come back to the front. And we're going to tie it on the side. And then take those two pieces together, go down to the end, and tie them together. Try to get as close to the end as you can so you have plenty of room for hanging these. And then snip it off. All right, there you have it, a cute little gnome ornament. You can hang it on your tree, you can put it on packages. You can do just about anything you want to with it. But you'll want to make plenty of them because you're going to want to use them everywhere. If you like my video, hit like. If you want to subscribe, hit subscribe. If you want to be notified when I have future videos, hit the bell. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.